What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $19,393. We're up about 6.5%. We have touched our previous all-time high, guys. You can see right up here at resistance, 19,897 was our previous high, and we have touched that today. And I want to start out saying, I started my channel in the bear market. Basically 2018 is when I started my cryptocurrency channel. And for all those people who have been here with me from the very beginning when I just started, I'm so appreciative. And if you have been here for a long time, let me know down low. I'd love to see it, but we've waited for these times. And I mean, all the way down through, even when Bitcoin was at $3,000, we had the promise and the hope that, we would get back to this point through the cyclical market cycles that take place in cryptocurrency. And we planned, we studied, and it's all been for this moment that we're at right now. Guys, and it is, in a way, it's an emotional thing because we've been through a lot. I mean, when you look at that price action, the chart of Bitcoin and the price action, those are all extremes that we have felt. We felt the greed, we felt basically, the bull traps, the bear traps, the utter capitulations. We have felt all that together, and the emotion is written in the chart. It's written in the price action. And we've been through it all together. And it's just amazing to be here with you all. And I'm thankful for all the subscribers that I have. And we're going to get into Bitcoin here. But for everybody who was buying at lower areas and has been in this and has been planning for this and studying for this, we're here, guys. And anything can happen at this area now. This is where manipulation is going to get nuts. We could have a massive dump back down into the $14,000 range. Absolutely possible. But we also could break through. We could finally be there to where we break through and we have blue sky breakouts. And the reason why I say that, a lot of people say, I know exactly where we're going now. We can't say that yet until we have a daily candle close up above our all-time highs at that 19,898. Once we have a daily candle close up above that, and if it's on volume, it's game on. We're moving. And we're still trading up above the 20 EMA, which is always important for us. But at these areas, this is where a lot of manipulation can come in. We could have a huge whale step in right now and say, all right, here we go, blue sky breakouts, and we run like crazy. We did it last time when we were at $10,000, and we ended up going to $20,000 in, what was it, a month? So that's what's possible in this space. And if a whale steps in here, the RSI is at 69 right now, but like we've talked about in cryptocurrency, we can get well up into the 90s. So we could have 20-25% still left on the RSI for blue sky breakouts if the whales step in now. So you have to be prepared for that, but also be prepared for these support levels. Okay, because whenever we get these moves off like this 20 EMA that we have here, whenever we get those moves off there, we always wanted to come on extremely heavy volume to get up through that all-time high, and that's what we need to keep seeing come in today. That's going to be one of the most important things for us, is watching that buying pressure. And what I would do is put an alarm or an alert up here. Click that for trading view, and then you'll know if we do start to break out, because when we do break out, a lot of people will rush in and throw all their money in basically with the blue sky breakouts, and that's when things can really get crazy if you do some research about it. Okay, so I want to point that out there. But in terms of support levels, so if we don't get up through this and have a nice daily candle close, what we want to do is most likely look to around 19,160 as support, then be down around 18,741. Then I'd even be down around that 17,139 is going to be the area. If we take a look in here at the technicals, but overall, guys, I just want to thank you. This is a special day here. Well, I just want to thank all the people who have been here with me through all the things that we've dealt with and the emotions together. So it's awesome. I really appreciate you guys. And I hope you get some from this channel, and it's a little bit different than anything out there. So on the 1 day, 2 sell, 10 neutral, 16 buy, oscillators, 2 sell, 9 neutral, 0 buy, moving averages looking strong there because we're up above our 20, our 50, 100, and our 200 moving average there. So that's looking really good. If we work through the time frames and we go to the 12-hour, I just want to look at these candles. So just pay attention to the profit taking right up at that 19,898. On the 12-hour, the MACD, we potentially are about to cross to the upside there. So that's a good thing for us as the RSI is rising. We're just going to work our way down here. Then we'll go to the 4-hour. We had some heavier volume right at that area testing the all-time highs. Up above our 20, 50, 100, and our 200 there. Still RSI's at 72 on the 4. And then if we get into the 1, we had some longer wicks up here. Heavier volume selling at that all-time high. So let's zoom in here a little bit. We want to pay attention to that, but we still are up above this 20. So what I would look to see is if we can stay up above that, and that's roughly going to be right around $18,851. See if we can find support off that. If we can find support off that or a higher low, that may be enough to finally get us up through that. And then it's going to get really exciting, guys. You can already see some of the altcoins swelling up a little bit. Bitcoin Cash at 319, Zcash at 77. Made some nice gains there. Link at $14.15. Tezos $2.50. That's looking good there. Litecoins at $8, or I'm sorry, at $86.33. ETH is at 605. XRP's at 64 cents right now. And what I like to do, guys, these are a lot of the coins that I look at and I like to trade. So in terms of, I'll just roll through them quick here for you. I don't want to make this video too long, but some people may be interested. I like trading XRP, Ethereum, Qtum, Litecoin. We have OMG, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, Neo, EOS, Dash, Link, ADA, which ADA right now is almost at 17 cents. Look at that. Tezos, Ethereum Classic, of course, Bitcoin. Look at gold there. Digibyte, Civic, Theta, XLM. Look at XLM, 20 cents. Been doing some big things here, guys. It's what we've been waiting for quite a while, and that's why we wanted to study and we wanted to be prepared for this moment, and it's happening. So just have your guard ready. Be prepared. Anything can happen at these levels. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.